PCBA failures. A constant headache for every manufacturer. But wait, when failure strikes, is your loss really just the cost of a board? The truth is, the loss caused by a failed PCB goes far beyond that. It also includes other components, after-sales service, and even a company's reputation. But how does it happen? Raw materials are a significant cause of PCBA failure, including bare PCBs, solder paste, and various components. Among these, solder paste is the most problematic factor for PCBA. Another important factor is that defective products flow into the next stage of production, needlessly increasing waste and cost. Losses during transportation and after delivery should also not be overlooked. To address these issues, PCBasic always puts reliable manufacturing first. We have established a strict supplier screening system. Each batch of materials must go through the IQC incoming inspection process. We choose Alpha Premium Solder Paste, ensuring quality stability is much more important than saving costs. We have developed our own EMES system to make the entire production process traceable, from raw material receiving to final delivery. There are several inspection steps. Once a problem occurs, it is intercepted in time. We believe delivery isn't where the deal ends. It's where we start sharing the responsibility for reliability together. PCBasic, which has 2 self-owned factories in Shenzhen and Huizhou, with 20 years of expertise, has won trust from 5,000 plus customers globally. We promise, with the best quality control and after-sale service, every PCBA that reaches you can be used with total peace of mind.